We are the Fringe.
Fringe is a celebration of new and innovative works of art. Really, our main goal is to create a community of artists that can work on larger projects together in the future.
How we came about as artists, we were looking to see opportunities outside of the university setting. And we looked at opportunities that we had this summer, and nothing really catered to our interests. So we thought, what better than to create our own organization. To showcase our work outside of academia, to showcase our peers who we worked alongside with for over a year.
We've set up a mentorship program for students who are looking to gain more experience in their desired area. All of the funds from this festival are going to go into a scholarship that we're creating for students that want to study in any area of the arts.